Hello Malawi, ino ni nthawi ya Valentine. Bulesi inasanka First Capital Bank. Kodi Valentine wanu ali kuti? Mutuluseni timuone.
Hello beautiful people, it's that time and that season again. Love is in the air and Love Sync is back on your screens. In time with makaba nsindi anthu osiyana omwe ali mchikondi ena oti anakwatirana ena oti they're just engaged ena ndi chibwezi chabe timafuna kungophunzira kuti kodi moyo wawo wachikondi unaenda motani ukuyenda motani tiphunzire ziwiri zitatu kuphunzira sikumatha. Dzina langa ndi Chisomo Nyoenda ndikulandireni kuno ku Mount Sochi Hotel mu mzinda wa Blantyre. Kuno tikucheza with a couple that inspires a lot of people, especially on social media. Takoka tabwerensa kuti bwerani pano mutifotokozere ticheze timve zambiri za nkhani yanu. Hope and Tamika Mezua, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you guys doing?
I am very well. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm
fine too. I am doing all right.
Great.
Tangofika kukamba za chikondi mwakuti I'll go straight to the point. Koma ndiambire kumene kuku. Munakumana bwanji ndi Tamika. When was it? Komanso zinachitika bwanji?
Tamika tinakumana over 15 years ago now.
Okay.
Should be between 2010 and 2011, but 2010 to be specific.
Yeah.
We met ku Mangochi.
Okay.
I was only a student ku Chancellor College and had gone to Mangochi ku St. Michael's Girls to do my teaching practice. So before you graduate, you are sent to my school kuti mkapange practice as part of examining you.
Mina mati kuma attachment
kuti degree yako utenge bwino Afrika kuti akwese
akuone kuti background ukatipindulira.
So that's how they sent me to Mangochi and there I spotted this young lady. Yeah, and nothing happened. I didn't propose love to her. Komano napanga sport kuti avokanga. Yeah, so well, that's how we met.
All right. So mwacheza you've expressed love to her. From there zinaenda bwanji kuti mwina ulendo wanu nalimota?
So actually chinayambira pa phone. In actual fact I was staying in Mzuzu and she was staying in Blantyre.
Hey,
there was no hope kuti uyu ngakhale ndikumufunsira pa phone pano zizaenda up.
Yeah.
It was just a matter of faith kuti anyway sikana uja nandisangalasa ku school kuja kapena mwina ndiyesere. So tinkangocheza mwapo ndi apo kena ku pa phone ipo. That's when I gave it a try. And when she asked me, do you think it can work?
Yes.
As a man, I knew this is an okay.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, so we did. We proceeded to date. It wasn't easy, knowing she needed an assurance. So where?
Definitely.
Where to?
You need to come up with a plan.
Yeah, you need to come up with a plan as a man. Komano, panali coincidence. Yo bwino kwambiri imene zachitika. Pana zipezeka kuti I had a chance of being selected to go back to Chancellor College kukapanga pursue my master's degree. Okay. So it meant moving from
Zuzu to Zomba.
Oh,
which was a bit
closer now to Blantyre.
30 minutes, 40 minutes distance inachepako.
Apopo ndetita lubira kuti iya. Vitega. Pereke Zomba Blantyre. Yeah, so then it happened. When I moved to Zomba, ended up contacting her even more and then getting in touch even more. Yeah, and then falling in love even more.
Okay, amazing stuff. Mwamaliza masters, at what point did you guys make the big decision of kuti I think ababa tien kubanja tikalowe basi?
A lot happened
Yeah.
in between. From kumaliza masters, that was 2012.
Yeah.
To kuzakotana 2015.
Okay.
We had our firstborn child in between.
Oh, really?
We had our child.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we gave the time kuti kamwana kakuleko. She was still staying ku Blantyre.
Okay.
And I still returned ku bita ku Lilongwe. Okay, before I went to Lilongwe, I got a job with the University of Malawi. And then after some time, so we still had to connect, we still had to talk. But we made a decision with tikwatirane. I think malong distance awa akwana. After all school tamaliza, after all palimwana, after all tipachito, what should we wait for again? And it's good kuti tiambie mozi kugula mpando ndipoto.
Yes.
So I shared with her my dream kuti I want to have a lifetime with you. She accepted. Then we followed the normal procedures. Makolo kulowerapo, and then we had a beautiful wedding called Zuzu.
Yeah.
29th August 2015.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So that was like we had known each other for 5 years, and then we got married in 2015. 5 years.
All right. Beautiful. Mmakwenda kukhala limodzi nthawi zambiri. Hope and Tamika, we understand that you guys run a business together. Max and Sherry. A lot of people, I think, if there's one thing that they run away from is working with my partners now. Kazi wanga ndizikamona kunchito tizikati kulimo loseli tili limodzi. Kena kuti zipita so kunyumba so ndizikamona so munthu yemweyo. How was the birth of Max and Sherry for you guys as a couple? Komanso mumapanga manage bwanji ndikumasiyanitsa kuti apa you're talking to me as your business partner. Ababa no ne, you're my bae.
All right. I think it all stems from the idea your team Mulindima shared goals. Okay. With Tamika, Tindima goals at her marriage. I mean to papanga share. Kuti baby, it is a career package as a marriage.
Yes.
Okay. Why don't we grow old together? Kuti mpaka tizafika kuti imvi zizukuru tili limozi.
Yes.
So those are shared goals, and that's happy living together, not just for the sake of living together. And then tiliso ndima goals are business. Kunena kuti okay, why don't we take our business backward?
Yes.
And for us to take our business backward, why don't we add akandi. Okay, but I always argue kuti, from my experience, you cannot have the best marriage and then operate the bad business.
Okay.
Okay. If it's a bad business, your partnership ikuvuta ku business ukuku, it means you are not being friends, in my view. I take it kuti ngati mugwirizana kubanja, sizingavuta soka kugwirizana ku business.
Anthu ake ndinomwe.
It's just a matter of saying.
Masanduka wina.
It's just a matter of saying kuti magozi aku marriage aja. Tita hiki kaya apo titi pange magozi aku business. Okay? So that has been us as well. For the most part, it has been being in the company of Tamika and knowing kuti chimene nduthamangisa baba nduthamangisa kuti Tamika apange benefit.
Yeah.
Chimene so Tamika uthamangisa kuti Hope apange benefit. Okay? And then pawili watu we have anthu behind. I mean, they're not just rallying behind us, but they also sometimes look up to us kuti apange support.
True.
So what that means is kuti if I lose, Tamika will lose now. If she loses,
she'll lose as well.
So she pushes good in the win. So I push good I win.
Because it all comes back to the both of us. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tamika, pali anthu sipamanepera kuyambana. Unakhala mmakondana chotani, unakhala nthawi yayitali limodzi chotani. Does it ever happen kuti business kunde hey hope bena bake sizinaende bwino mwayambana kumeneko mwashavana. You have to go back home and sizikugwirizana. You still have to be the parents to your children. Ngati muli ndi routine kuti kaya mayenera anaja mwawerengereti ma story book limodzi zichitikebe. How do you handle those things kuti mkwiyo wauku usasokoneze the marriage, the love that you have, it still has to move forward?
Differences are there. Anthu timayambana adi timasempana maganizo. Ine ndikufuna ichi, zanga ufuna icho. Komano timakhalabe pasi limodzi kuti how should we solve this? Tipange bwanji kuti timvane chinthu chimodzi. Nde pamakhala kulolerana, kukhululukirana, kumvesesana kuti at least we should achieve the goal that he mentioned earlier kuti ukuku business tindi go tiye tipangiza business zoyamba nazo tizisiyeka yako tipange chinthu chimodzi mbabe nthawi ina zimezi koma no sizimalephera ndithu we argue a lot, we fight ndithu wina kunena chake wina kunena chake. I feel like it's even necessary. It's necessary indeed.
It's necessary conflict.
Yes,
that strengthens the bond. There are times when tinyamuka kuti tikupita ku surprise. Okay, so we do my surprise.
Yes.
So tinyamuka kuti tupita surprise. We disagree on a thing, and we obviously know kuti kanthu akaka katisemphanisa. Okay, but when we're going into a surprise, I'm telling you, not even you can tell kuti
okay,
because there is a goal there that we have to achieve.
So mpagana client
actually because kuja kutagwiriza nako when we are returning tipezeka kuti we are better people.
Mukugamba sonkhani mukuja musakuyankhula.
There would never be a time yotika wina mpaka wanyanyala kuti asindipita akupita weka. Because we know that would be an opportunity now for us to even
work things out.
All
right, so since we were talking about my surprise, omwe mabanga ena mwina asakuzithatha kuti zimakhala bwanji, mwina we should just take a look kuti mumakhala motani mukakhala kuti mukupanga zimezi za surprise zimayenda motani.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi, our beautiful Gloria. Please receive those flowers, a bouquet of flowers that you deserve. Here is your cake. Receive this beautiful cake for yourself.
We are told you love butterflies, so there's a butterfly for you there.
And then there is your favorite. Wow. It's okay. On your birthday, someone has thought about you.
Hello Malawi, ino ni nthawi ya Valentine. Bulesi inasankha First Capital Bank. Kodi Valentine wanu ali kuti mutuluseni timuone.
From what we've seen, what you guys do most of your life imakhala ikuchitika pa social media, and I think a lot of people anakudziwiraniso pa social media pomwepo. Even people know the names of your children from social media. Life, social media as well, and making sure that your real life is your real life. This should not kulowirira kapena kutokosa ndikusokoneza zinthu zina in your real life. Zimakhala motani.
Yeah, we accept that social media and social media. People can say a lot of things on social media. Komano ifeo timaziuza kuti we should separate that from our home. Timakhala ndima moments ena kunyumba amene mwina samapitaso pa public kuti anthu aone kuti
kuchita
kusefa kuti this can be shown to people. This is our own intimate time as a family. Spending time with our children, kupanga china chilichonse at home. So it says separate life altogether. Zimakhala into ezomwezo zina komano we separate zipena zinthu zija timasefa as you said kuti izizi zipita kugulu izizi zikhale to us only.
Komanso anthu pa social media kuyankhula ndi sayankhula bwino anthu amakumbezeka kuyankhula hey kadazi. How do you feel about that?
It's just
I mean, it's your husband.
Nango banga accept the humor in it kuti kadazi tinango banga accept kuti it's like that and we have fun tikamamba zimezo.
Yeah.
So I kadazi being me.
Yes.
Okay. There is a thing. Once when I was little, I went to mom. Okay, I think when I was Sunday school, I went to mom and I told mom, "Anzanga mandiseka bakanga dibamba danzi janjan." My mom took me, grabbed me by my arms, drew me close towards her, and said, "Pat," you said, "Up." Okay, but wow. I said no. Okay. Chili Jose Jimeni Sichimawa Usamachi Dandau. Those are words that came from my mom's mouth. Okay? From that time I started making fun of myself.
Yeah.
I started taking it as humor.
Yeah.
I mean, why should you be worried about
something that
So when I went to college, a friend of mine, Frederick Kamwani, was like, Kadazi. Basi timapezeka kucheza. I actually enjoy. I take it kuti people who call me kadanzi ama kakuta kundipanga celebrate
definitely
appreciate
someone who doesn't like you. I don't think they would find better words.
Exactly. So we adopted the search tabwera pa social media nzanga naye wanadira dzina lake
longo ndipasa so antu ndatakuvomereza
kuti Sherifa libwere kuti Sheri banana Sherina
I mean alogera ku Sheri wa ku
Max and Sheri mwe antu anangompitiriza woka kuti ali
several names but we thought for me no so it's okay buja
Sherifa
change sanke Sherifa and then Kadazi and Sherifa so someone when they call me Kadazi I really feel good.
He's not offended at all.
I don't get offended.
That's actually good. We have to turn the lemons into lemon juice. All right, as we're wrapping up our chat, ulendo ina uliwonse wachikondi simalephera ma challenges kandi chibwezi kandi banja limene. How have you overcome my challenges amene mwakhala mwakumana nawo? I'll start with you, Hope, and then Tamika.
So there is one thing that she introduced. She calls it my pillow talks. I know it's not unique to our family or our marriage. She calls them my pillow talks. A pillow talk is where challenging areas we face it head on. So they are more or less like truth tables, where we get into a conversation knowing kuti nzangayu andilankhula zinthu zoti sindizikonda.
It has to be done.
It has to be done. I have to face this and we have to solve this problem now or never. Okay? Same inayonso ndi zanga zakukhosi zoti uyu ndifuna ndimasule and ndivomereze however they will react. However he will react ndivomereze kuti ndamutani ndamulankhula and wandimva. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's a time when you really open up kwa partner wako. We've done that several times. She's faced problems on her own. We have faced problems as a couple.
Yeah.
I have faced problems on my own. And whenever we can, we say, let's have a pillow talk. So the pillow talk kuja timakhala kuti timu awiri. Tikudziwa kuti I will come out bruised.
Kulibe kutawa.
Koma tikamachoka munomo, one thing that I'm guaranteed is kuti maa kukamacha, it's usually usiku actually. What I'm guaranteed of is kuti maa kukamacha, inenditamika will be better people. Okay? Ndikuya papa komano ndiudziwa ngati wanditanisa kuti tikhale ndi pillow talk. I ndi intention nena kuti tipange solve a problem. Akana kauti samfuna pange solve a problem, akana sunga kumtima.
A silent treatment basi. Ala kaula amene.
So the invitation itself, we should have a pillow talk. Imakagudi is coming out of a heart of love. So she does that, she shares with me, we sit down and we deal with a problem. Same with me, ndikakandi issue, tieti kumane titankulana. Kupillow talk uko pena kumakhala matempa, pena kumakhala
mwino
talking calmly, but it is the outcome that matters. We come out better people.
Yeah.
And the other thing, Nzangayo is more prayerful actually than I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Prayer warrior,
Tindi prayer warrior. So Nzangayo, really, I'm a lift my burdens to God
through prayer.
Ine ndikamaliza mkono nopena ndikazidzimuka ndipeza Nzangatwali
Kuchita manyazi.
ali mapemphero kena kupanga pretend kuti sindikumva cholinga ndisaoneke mausatana. But I really should say kuti I think and I believe kuti it works wonders when you cast your burdens unto God. I believe kuti zinthu zambiri zimene zakhala zotiyendera ndi zina zimene sizinatiyendere Mulungu akhala kuti yang'anira.
Yeah. Okay, Tamika.
Same. Timakhala tikulakulana kwambiri as he has said. Timakhala tikupempherera zinthu zija kuti how should we go about this thing? Kumuuza Mulungu kuti atisogolere. Whenever we have any problem, that's what we do. Kwambiri timayankhulana kupemphera limodzi. Ndikudzudzulana as he has put it. Kuti timakhala tikuuzana chilungamo kuti zinthu zipangidwe solve. Tisangokhala tikusunga zinthu mumtima mangawa.
Tsiku lomwe muzayankhula kuti zomona panga 2015.
Zakalekale kumazitulusa siku lina yake limodzi. Ayi sitimapanga choncho. Timakonda kupangira to solve my issues asanakule. Ali ang'ono kulankhulana nato kuti pasakhale ndithu chigabu chokuti patenga nthawi yayitali tisanapange solve problem ina yake.
And working together has helped
Yeah.
a lot. It has helped to bond us even more. Also to help in solving problem in popo. Because if I face a problem panopa nditamika, I know kuti let's deal with it right away. Okay? But then if we were staying patali kapena we were working tali tikanamanena kuti tukumane mazuro tranquilani zina zake. Koma usually it's kuti takumandi vuto tiri pange deal nawo pompo. So it does help kusasunga mangawa.
All right, that is beautiful. I'm gonna play a game with you guys, more of just testing how in sync you guys are with some compatibility questions. So I'm going to give you these flowers. I'm not sure if that's yellow or orange. It should be
yellow.
Yellow, yeah? Okay, at least we agree that's yellow. So if the answer is Tamika, we're going to raise the yellow one. If the answer is Hope, we're going to raise the white one. We ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Question 1. Who takes forever to cool down after an argument?
Tamika.
Okay. Okay. Who usually apologizes first? Okay. Who remembers anniversaries, birthdays without needing a reminder? Okay. Who wakes up early? Okay. Who is more organized? Okay. I'm enjoying this, guys. Who is more romantic? Someone doesn't want to get in trouble. Who actually initiates affection more? Hugs, cuddles. We now go back. Okay, who is the family comedian? Who makes the other one laugh more? Okay. All right. When it comes to kids now, who has the patience with the kids and who do these kids run to first? Okay. All right. Who do the kids open up more to? Okay. This is looking good. And finally, who handles stress better? All right, guys. You did so well.
Oh, thank
You
you.
actually did so well. the only question.
The first one, I took it lightly.
Lightly, yeah?
Yeah, we
Who
can
takes
repeat it.
forever to cool down?
Yeah,
Can we redo that?
Yeah, we can.
How did we do?
You actually raised the opposite. Yeah. Who takes forever to cool down after an argument? Okay. We are in sync. You've gone 10 for 10.
I thought so.
The only difference is that on some questions, I think you'd raise both, but that still checks in because it still applies to, what you raised. But yeah, you guys are like a 10 for 10. You are in sync.
Hello Malawi, ino ndi nthawi ya Valentine. Bulesi inasankha First Capital Bank. Kodi Valentine wanu ali kuti? Mutuluseni timuone.
All right, Hope and Tamika are ready for the next challenge. Guys, so right now, by rolling this tissue, we're trying kuiko katambula ija ndi madzi aja. Ndekuti amene atabuduke madzi ake ngati shuko ndi kunyotsoka, ndekuti ameneyo zamuvuta. And amene atawineyo, we have a prize from First Capital Bank. May the best man or woman win. All right, let's go.
Right.
Go, Tamika. Girl power.
Oh my goodness. That's it for me?
You can start again.
Okay.
All right. You can start over again.
Over again.
Oh, okay. Also, you so
Komano is far ahead.
the winner is the one who is far ahead. Mene Shura Yeselandi, Hope and Tamika Mezua inside the program that comes to your screen every love season, Love Sync. And from our sponsors and us here in Blantyre, here at Mount Soshi Hotel, we say thank you so much for watching. My name is Chisomo Nyuenda. Until next time, goodbye.